Hi, this is Samsung Tab X110 and the charging port, which is Type C, is broken. We need to replace it. So replacing the charging port is not challenging because you can get two different types of charging port replacement. This is the one, it comes with the actual PCB, means it's built in, as you can see here. So we can replace it. We don't need to have any sort of knowledge about soldering and desoldering. But in that case, you need to spend few pounds more, because if you buy that Type C port, it's going to be much cheaper. But if you don't know how to replace it, go for that board. This is like around £6 to £7. All right, so the challenging part here is to take out the screen, because if you want to get access into the main board or the charging board, you need to pull out the screen from the top. Means it's challenging. By the way, we're going to use two methods. One, the hot air. We're going to blow the hot air around the screen edge, and then we'll try to gently pull it out. So we're going to use rubbing alcohol, as you can see, 99.99%, to soften the adhesive. At the same time, we're going to use a kind of thin plastic card, so we can go through the edge and just slightly cut the adhesive. So let's get into the main video and replace it. All right, so first is first, what are you going to do? We're going to blow some hot air around the edge. All right, so now we're going to take a kind of plastic card and go through the edges. I think this is much better because that is tiny. So when you put any sort of plastic card or metal is not suggested, don't go too far, okay? So make sure that much. Okay, so these two sides already done, but this side is quite solid, I can see. So I don't want to break it at the last moment. I'm going to apply some more here. Don't forget to hold like that, so accidentally you don't go under too much. Yeah, here you go. Now before you pull the screen, you need to check where the cables come from. Okay, so that's why I'm going to do one more step. Yeah, I can see it's like that. Let me turn on my fan, by the way. Now we're going to take out this panel. Battery first. If you want, you can remove it, or I'm going to leave it like that. And then this panel. This is simple. We need to remove that side. So as you can see here, remove it and pull this out. So the actual port is broken, as you can see inside. I'm going to replace it. So I'm going to leave it for drying up. It might take few hours and then everything should be fine. So that's how simple it is. Let me know how did you like this video, and if you do, please subscribe. Thank you.